Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Smart Airfryer 6.5 liters and now I will show you what is in the box. This is the brand new Xiaomi Airfryer. I just opened the box and now we will check what we have inside. So okay, let's open. So here we have instruction. As you can see, there is the manual, Xiaomi manual, Smart Airfryer user manual. Yeah. So here we have user manual in different languages, in English, in Deutsch, in Spanish, in Russian, and in Czech, and in Polish, of course. Cool. So here we have the warranty notice. If you have both air fryer in the Europe Association, so you have 2 years of warranty, and you can return it during 14 days if you bought it using internet. So okay, here we have the grill. I hope maybe this is the normal grill or something to make double-sided frying. Okay, let's open it. And here we have air fryer. So I need to take it off. So I need to take it out. Maybe I can't do it using the one hand, so I will return after a while. So great, I get out the Xiaomi Airfryer 6.5 from the box, and what we have here. So here we have, as you can see, power cable, and it's unpluggable. I can't unplug it. Here, as you can see, we need to remove this. Cool. And here on our power cable we have the plastic safer, I don't know what is that. And oh, as you can see, it's very easy to open and close. And here we have our air fryer. So this part maybe we can get out. Okay, but how to do that? Okay, it's easy, easier than I think. So maybe these parts we can remove, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. We need to check it. And that's it. So this is all we have in Xiaomi Mi Airfryer 6.5 liters in the box. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.